and my like superpower is grant writing. I love grant writing, but I'm in this transition where I want to build my business, but I'm also burnout, so I'm not like ready to get there. So I'm just trying to figure out, is now the right time to join, or maybe like in 6 months? Or I just didn't know if you have any advice. Like, it's not about the money for me, it's more about my personal like health. Like, am I going to be able to get on a call? Or
No, we're huge
like,
on.
I'm a motivated person, I love coaching, I love all this stuff, but my burnout levels like.
Yeah, I can weigh in on that. There's many people who have said that their healing journey has accelerated by being a part of the collective because of how much it's a part of our culture to emphasize soul care, to emphasize slowing down, to emphasize setting your boundaries. Faiza, do you actually have something you want to answer to this, or you have a separate question? I'm going to guess you have something to answer. You want to answer it? Go ahead.
I do, because I was there. And when I joined, I had no desire to start a business. I just needed something that channelizes that burned out energy. And I started watching the videos and watching and learning the whole process and going to coaching calls just to actually be part of a group that was positive, energized, and they are so contagious that I started, feeling energized myself. And I do agree. I think I healed faster through this. And it took me, I think, a year before I even started anything that was said in that course. But I used it just to feel positive, I guess. And once I started, boom, it went like, I was expecting it to start slowly, and it started in an explosion. So I would suggest you join. I can say this because I have nothing to do with the business part. I am also just a member. But I think you should join it to feel better, and then you can do better.